Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video I've got two jobs to do today and they're both gutter and fascia cleans and I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. I've bought myself an extending lance from Equip to Clean. It's not the most expensive lance, it's quite a cheap one, but I just wanted to see how I got on with it before I invested too much money into it. So yeah, little lance. I'll put all the details to this in the description below, but we'll see how we get on with it. So what I'm planning on doing is sucking it all out with the Panther, so getting it all clean. Then I'm going to spray with the constant flow, and then I'm going to use the lance with my K4, and that's another of the reasons that I bought this lance, because I'd already got the K4. I didn't want to bring my big pressure washer to the job because that's quite a big thing to be umping around. So I got a little K4. This will work with the K4. It's got a Karcher adapter to it, so which some of the other lances that they sell hadn't, so I thought I'd give it a go. So I've actually been and done one job already today, and so let's have a look and see how we got on with that. To this job here now. It's a full gutter and fascia clean and a gutter empty. I've done a video here before and the customer's normally pretty good about it, so we'll get this one done. We'll get it sucked out with the Panther first and then we'll clean it all down. So keep watching and see how we get on. So that's 2 jobs done today using the lance and the K4 pressure washer. It's an 18-foot lance. It's not the lightest thing you've ever held, but when you're spraying, it isn't too bad at all. It does come with a harness, which I tried earlier, but didn't think I liked it, the harness actually. I actually preferred it without it. So I've spoken to Gordon from G71 quite a lot, and I've spoken to Jason from G-Force, and they both use lances to do pressure wash, to clean fascias and gutters, and they've recommended that I get a turbo nozzle for it. So might be one of those coming soon, and we'll see how we get on with that. So will I use it in future? Yeah. Absolutely brilliant. I can't imagine ever going back to scrubbing gutters and fascias again. Really like the way this worked, love the way it turned out. So the links to everything are in the description below. Hopefully there'll be a write-up coming on this on the cleaning guide. So make sure you check that out and keep an eye on it in case you want one of these. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.